Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply filter and image. So first thing into on login here, just open up a design. Example for I opened up a design here. So I import a photo from this one. Okay, this is really good. And first things, just click on here. Then you can see this is a effect, adjustment, and normal, blend, opacity. You can see this is a filter option you can use here. From here, effect, adjustment, and animation. So if I click here, this is a this one you can choose any one, and this is a custom. You can go here and anything. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.